Hello, I'm Suzanne Scherer, your Florida Gulf Coast MLS Board President. I want to speak with you today about the recent decision made to disable the open house field in the MLS. On Saturday, the CEO of Florida Realtors, along with the Vice President of Public Policy, were contacted by the Division of Emergency Management and the Florida Surgeon General. The Surgeon General conveyed very serious concerns about realtors continuing to hold in-person open houses and felt there is a risk of spreading the coronavirus from asymptomatic individuals to others. The request from the Division of Emergency Management and the Florida Surgeon General was to immediately discontinue all open house activity. Our CEO, along with our neighboring local boards, NABOR and BEAR, have honored this request. In fact, many MLSs across the state have also honored this request. As an active realtor, I fully understand the desire for members to hold open houses and that there are still many sellers and buyers who want them. Although the open house field is not currently being displayed to the public, you can still search and see open house listings. At present, we are fortunate not to be on a lockdown and need to lead the way in balancing the needs of our members, buyers, sellers, renters, and landlords, as well as the needs of the community to have a sense of safety. I have had the opportunity to speak with many members regarding this recent decision. We, as realtors, have always risen to the occasion when outside influences have impacted the way we and our customers do business. I want you to know that the Royal Palm Coast Realtor Association and the MLS leaders are doing all we can to work with our members, the community, and the government agencies to remain operational in a safe and responsible way. Real estate is a vital economic engine that is essential not just to our members, but to the entire community. We are innovators and need to show that we are flexible and adaptable to environment and market changes. I want to thank you for your patience as we work to safely and responsibly address this shift in our way of doing business.
Reports show that even with the coronavirus affecting the lives of many, it has not fully hit the housing market yet. There is so much we don't know about what the next few months will bring, but one thing is for sure, home buyers want to continue shopping for their dream homes online while staying safe by avoiding unnecessary personal contact. I am here today to talk about how you may safely market your listings while adhering to the CDC guidelines. Now is a better time than ever to utilize web-based services to provide a virtual open house experience. This approach keeps the public safe and allows the buyers to take all the time they need to experience the home. Virtual home tours allow buyers to move through the house the way they would during an in-person showing. In addition, they are statistically proven to generate more leads. And don't forget about social media. Facebook Live brings a huge potential for real estate agents to stand out, be cost-effective, and abide by social distancing regulations. Additionally, potential buyers can request a video tour instead of touring your listing in person. Right now is a great time to take advantage of 3D tours and video walkthroughs. These will likely provide an additional boost to your listings, giving you even more exposure on services like Zillow.
Association members also have access to ShowingTime through the dashboard. This free application can help with video showings, including comprehensive information on how to set them up. We've provided a link in the text near this video. These alternatives are a great way to take preventative measures while maintaining your customers' interest in a property. Thank you and be well.